Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's focus is on the Lord thy God is one. Again, being taken from A Search of God, for God from the Edgar KC Studies. I am Nora Truscello from intuition.com. Come by and visit me sometime. Today's meditations is really interesting that it lands on Wednesday when we're doing yet another class on manifestation tonight on empowerment through intuition. Let me read you what the affirmation will be during this meditation. As my body, mind, and soul are one, thou, O Lord, in the manifestation, in the earth, in power, in might, in glory, art one. May I see in that I do, day by day, more of that realization and manifest the more. So it really goes along with what tonight's discussion is going to be on how everything is one. And the closer we are to the realization of being at one or in atonement with God, that manifestation happens almost instantly, miraculously. So I just really got goosebumps when I saw that that was today's meditation and wanted to share that. So we're going to get started, as always, with a prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer. We'll go into a simple guided meditation where I will read this affirmation and we will sit quietly for a few moments as we absorb this lesson and open ourselves to the realization of this oneness. So we are more conscious of what we are thinking, our thoughts, our behaviors toward other people. When the silent period is over, you'll hear the chimes, at which point we will begin the closing process. I'll invite you to send up a thank you and then begin to roll the energy up the front of you and then up the back of you, over your head to your third eye. This strengthens your meridians and prepares you to be fully awake in a strengthened state. And closing finally with the 23rd Psalm, which brings the chakras back into alignment, not having them all wild and open. Excuse my horsey voice. I am doing a good job of getting over whatever this is I had, but I am still a little horsey. So let's begin. Let's begin by taking a deep breath and just relaxing and settling into our bodies. Close your eyes and invite your body to relax, to let go. Take another deep breath and begin scanning your body from the top of your head down to your feet. And notice if there's any discomfort, any tightness. And if there is, bring your attention to that spot and invite your body to let go. Notice how quickly your body follows your mind. Mind is the builder. Now let's bring our attention to that beautiful divine energy that's continuously flowing through our body. Notice the cylinder of energy streaming from your head to your toes, completely encompassing your body, sourcing you with love, divine energy. And from this beautiful place, we will begin. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. In this perfectly divine spot within our bodies, let us move the energy out of our bodies to surround us, to completely engulf us. Just move it out with your hands, with your mind. Now that you're fully covered, stretching around your body at least 3 feet, let us invite our spirits to rise, bringing your attention now to the top of your head, pulling your energy upwards. We say, "Arise, my spirit, and meet thy Maker." In this place of divine silence and peace, we start with the affirmation, "As my body, mind, and soul are one, thou, O Lord, in the manifestation in the earth, in power, in might, in glory are one. May I see in that I do, day by day, more of that realization and manifest the more." Take a moment and be grateful for this time and send up an appreciation, a little prayer of thanks. And as you pull your spirit back into your head and into your body fully, in your mind's eye, lean over and roll the energy up the front of your body to the top of your head. And lean over and from the back of your heels, roll the energy up the back of you, over the top of your head to your third eye. Pulling completely into the present, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. I hope that today's meditation was as moving for you as it was for me. And I look forward to seeing you this evening on Empowerment Through Intuition, 9 p.m. It's the Facebook Live group, and we are going to really bring together everything we did about manifestation, and it is going to land on today's meditation, in that we are all one, and God is one, and how the miracles occur through manifestation. I know you will love it, so tell your friends, share the link about it. See you soon. Have a great and blessed day. Bye now.